There is no specific, right, age for male masturbation because it is a normal and natural part of human sexuality, and the onset of this behavior varies from person to person. Masturbation often begins during adolescence, but it can occur earlier or later, depending on individual factors and cultural norms. Let's discuss general considerations about the age in this video. Adolescence. Many boys and young adolescents start to explore their bodies and discover masturbation during puberty, typically between the ages of 12 and 16. This is a normal part of sexual development as hormonal changes lead to increased sexual curiosity. Variability. The age at which individuals begin masturbating can vary widely. Some may start earlier, while others may begin later. There is no normal or abnormal age for this behavior. It depends on individual readiness and curiosity. Cultural and family influences. Cultural and family attitudes and beliefs about sexuality can influence when and how individuals begin exploring their own bodies. Some cultures and families may be more open and accepting, while others may discourage or stigmatize masturbation. Personal readiness. The most important factor is an individual's personal readiness and comfort level. Masturbation is a personal choice, and it should be engaged in willingly and without pressure. It is entirely normal if an individual chooses not to masturbate at all. Privacy and respect. It's crucial to teach children and adolescents about privacy and respecting the boundaries of others. Masturbation is a private activity and should be done in a manner that respects personal boundaries and cultural norms. Health education. Parents and educators can play a role in providing accurate and age-appropriate information about sexual development, including masturbation. Open and non-judgmental communication can help young people understand their bodies and make informed decisions. In summary, there is no fixed age at which males should begin masturbating. It is a personal and individual decision influenced by various factors, including hormonal changes, curiosity, cultural norms, and family attitudes. What's most important is that individuals are comfortable with their choices and engage in masturbation in a private and consensual manner when they feel ready. It's also essential to promote a healthy understanding of sexuality, boundaries, and self-respect as part of sexual education.